Thanks for watching this how-to video from Mapbox. In this video, I'll show you how to create an offline map for iOS. This tutorial assumes that you've already gone through the steps of setting up a basic single-view map app. Let's get started. I've declared my map view and progress view variables outside of my viewDidLoad function to ensure that all functions within my view controller class have access to them. For this example, I've set the center of my map view to Barcelona. Next, we'll set up your offline pack notification handlers. As you can see, to save time, I've already set mine up, as well as the respective code for offline pack progress did change, offline pack did receive error, and offline pack did receive maximum allowed Mapbox tiles. Now that our handlers are configured, let's move on to the code to download your tiles. Create a new function called Start Offline Pack Download. In this function, we're going to declare the region using the style URL, bounds, and zoom level we established when we configured our map view. Remember to be conservative with the maximum zoom level, as the tile count increases exponentially with max zoom. Here I've set my zoom to 15. Now we'll set our user info as a key value pair, name my offline pack. And set the context with the root object user info. Now we'll register the offline pack with the contents of our region and context. Remember to safeguard against any errors the app may encounter with a guard statement. Here we'll print any errors we receive to the console. Now we can call for the pack download to start. Above our newly created function, we'll create a new function, MapViewDidFinishLoadingMap, to call our Start Offline Pack Download function once the map has finished loading. Finally, create a deinitializer to remove offline pack observers. Let's run our app and see how it looks. As you can see, our map is loaded. We have a progress bar showing us that our offline tile download is completed, and we can confirm this by looking in our console. You've created your first offline map. Thanks for using Mapbox and keep building.